Welcome back to my channel, you guys. It's Friday and it's eat time. Y'all ready? Go grab them plates. I'm gonna give y'all a few minutes, but y'all know your girl is hungry. Y'all know how your girl do it. And on the menu today, we got us some KFC. Y'all look at that. Look at that. Got that 8-piece chicken, coleslaw, and mashed potatoes and gravy. These two my favorite sides from KFC. And I get the potato wedges every now and then. And I got me some gravy that I'm going to be dipping my chicken in and my mashed potato. So y'all ready? All right. And I got me some Pepsi to drink and my Smart Water. Some Texas Pete. Put a little bit on there. Along with my gravy. Yeah. Got my napkins over here in the cut. Y'all, let me apologize about that video I made with them 12 lobster tails. I understand it was short and I apologize. But your girl working on it. Your girl getting it. She getting it. Okay? So y'all work with me. I got this honey. I'm going to try one of these biscuits. I ain't finna eat all these biscuits, y'all. So I ain't even finna act like I am. But I am going to try a piece of it. With this honey. That first bite. Y'all want some? With that honey. Have a bite. Oh, look at me. I'm making a mess. I'm going to have to wipe that up when I'm done. It's going to be sticky. What you guys got planned for the weekend? Me and my husband going on a movie date tonight. Go see that Medea funeral movie. And I am excited. Yep. My son had his Black History program yesterday. Y'all, he did a wonderful job. He was Reverend Ron from Run DMC. And two of his other classmates was the other two guys. But it was so nice. I took a lot of pictures and everything. We really enjoyed ourselves last night. Y'all, that chicken dip. Y'all see my mouth watering? Woo! That chicken in that gravy, boy, make that mouth watering. Who want a bite of this delicious gravy? Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that steam coming off of it. You're drawing hot. The kids home from school, so y'all might hear a little noise. And of course, y'all already hear a lot. Y'all already hear some noise because Kay home. But y'all might hear more noise because all 4 of them are here. But I tried to tell them to keep it to a minimum, so hopefully everything's everything. Y'all. I was undecided whether I wanted to do chicken or pizza. But I decided on chicken. So I'll do pizza probably on Monday. Because this weekend is my family time. So I probably won't bring another video till Monday. But your girl getting out. She getting out. Y'all, that's good. Got that Pepsi. Y'all see my shirt? Girls rule this world. I don't necessarily agree with that, but hey, we all equal. Let's put it like that and leave it like that. We the people make the world. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I don't do all that bristles and all that. Your girl don't do all that. Y'all, coleslaw, KFC has the best coleslaw. Hands down. Yes, I love that coleslaw. Who else like KFC coleslaw? Comment down below. It is. It's so good. Y'all want some of that? I don't want it to fall all on the table. That's why I got my hand like that. I don't know which one of my honeys are open up already. That's when I open me another one. I got confused. Y'all, when I say it's the bomb. Dang, forgot to pluck that one. Bless you. I love me some potatoes. No, my oldest daughter get it from. She get it from her mama. I need to check they Pepsi. A little flat. You hear me? Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Well, it's raining out there earlier. You know, slow it down a little bit. Yep. Wet on this fun Friday. So y'all be careful out there. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, excuse me. Y'all have to try the gravy with the chicken. It's good. That's a good combination. You hear what I'm saying? You hear what I'm saying? Yeah, y'all. I use about 50 napkins when I'm eating. I use a lot of napkins. Yeah, I already know. Your girl don't eat much. Getting full. But if you like the video, thumbs it up. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell to be notified every time I upload a video. And peace out. See you guys on Monday. Peace and love.